Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, happy Easter. Unfortunately, today's painting is totally unrelated for Easter, but stay tuned for next week 15th as we have a spring and Easter collab coming up with a few amazing artists, so don't forget to mark your calendars. Today's painting is something a little different from the usual. Once in a while, I do enjoy making satire pieces about materialism and bags as a luxury status for women. Well, this isn't exactly one of those because it's probably more of a magazine spread. I love fashion. But at the same time, I have turned over a new leaf and have long exited out of the handbag game. The game of luxury handbags is an unfulfilling one because it will never be enough, and someone out there will always carry a better bag than you with a more extensive collection than yours. Here's a little example. First, you'd be pressured into buying one entry-level luxury bag, which would be the Gucci. By the time you get it, you realize it's the peasant bag of the hierarchy, and then you need a minimum Louis Vuitton bag. By the time you actually get your second bag for your status and age, it has to be minimum a Prada or Chanel bag, and your Louis Vuitton bag is also considered on the low rungs of the handbag hierarchy. By the time you get your Prada or Chanel, it really doesn't matter because only your Hermes does by then. Does it stop at Hermes? No, because there are different price ranges as well, and if you get the basic Birkin, you're still nowhere near the alpha of handbags. So you swipe your card to get a limited edition Birkin, but it's still not the end game because once you've reached that playing field, you're still considered a peasant if you only keep carrying that one and only handbag out to every event. I dare say, most of the people stuck at that stage, robbed at gunpoint, would say this: take my money, my wallet, my IDs, my credit card and my car, but leave the bag. Perhaps it's the industry that I was working in, or perhaps I was a little weak-minded and succumbed as a pawn right into the hands of consumerism. But I remember one day I made one of the best decisions to exit the stupid mentality and never carry any branded handbags, and have never felt more liberated ever since. I am finally content with my closet. I'm still a shopaholic. I cannot resist a well-tailored outfit, but I am at ease, and so are my credit cards. Doing this painting has made me self-aware of a couple of things. First would be, I have absolutely no idea how to paint crocodiles. It just looks like a really big lizard, and second, I can't paint crocodile skin bags either. The Vogue font is far from perfect, but I kind of like it as a finishing touch. This was a very fun piece to do, a mini break from my usual moodier pieces. Not my best work, but I still hope you like it anyway. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
If you wanna ride, don't ride the white horse. If you wanna ride, don't ride the white horse. White horse, don't ride the white horse. White horse, don't ride the white horse. If you wanna be rich, you got to be a bitch. If you wanna be rich, you got to be a bitch. I say rich, you bitch. Rich,
what you expect. Inside her new Balenciaga vibe. Romance turned dreams into an empire. Self-made success. Now she rolls with Rockefellers.
If you wanna be rich,
Cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you'd expect.